make
Bago.
a paper boat.
Paper boat. Hello.
Okay, so this is how we're going to make a paper boat, right?
Yeah.
So it's like all we have to do is just to get a piece of paper. Okay, so like this.
Tractor.
Okay. And then, do you know how to make a paper boat, Zach? No. Okay, so I will teach you how to. Okay, so after that, it will look like this.
And this one.
Okay, so next.
And this is the barcode. This is the water. You see the water. This is the view.
Okay, so we already have a boat,
Let's
paper
go.
boat. Do you like this paper boat?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is very nice, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So Zach, are you now ready for our activity today?
Yeah.
Okay, so you have two paper boats, right? So the first instruction
This one.
is, so it's already wet, right? So we're not going to use this one, so we're going to use the new one. Okay, so my first instruction, Zach, you're going to put the paper boat on the Tupperware with water. Okay, so what have you observed? Is the boat moving or not?
It's moving.
It's moving. Very good. Next. This time, you're going to blow the paper boat.
I blow it.
Okay, how was it? Is it moving? Okay, blow. Okay, is it moving now?
Yeah.
Very good. Next is you're going to no, don't touch. Next is you're going to clap your hands. Clap your two hands. Okay. Okay, near the paper boat. Okay, do you think the boat is moving?
Yeah.
Is the boat moving? Okay, very good. This time, you're going to push the paper boat.
What? Like
Push,
this?
yeah, like you're going to
Like this?
like that. Okay, is it moving?
Yeah.
Okay, do you like what you're doing, Zach?
Paper boat?
Yeah, it's a paper boat. Okay, thank you.